Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to install and configure Tortoise SVN client, Tortoise version, SVN client called Tortoise SVN, which you can download it from the net and then install. We will show you how to check out check out from a public repository using the Tortoise SVN. So let's first go to the Tortoise SVN download page. Type download tortoise SPL. So it will go to the download tortoise SVN page. Tortoise SVN page. So we need to download it for 64-bit Tortoise SVN. So because this is a Windows 11 operating system, which is a 64-bit operating system. So we need to download and install 64-bit Tortoise SVN. So what I will do is I will try to download and install download the Tortoise 64-bit OS. Setup instead of setup. So it will. So it started. Sorry. It. So so this is actually downloaded. Now I'm just launching it. Launching the Tortoise SVN. So Tortoise SVN, bit background of Tortoise SVN. Tortoise SVN was actually a bit old, released before Git and GitHub. So there are a lot of projects which is still actually maintained in Tortoise. SVN subversion network version controlling system. That's the reason why I'm also try to create a video tutorial on Tortoise. The SVN as well as the SVN client called Tortoise. So maybe we can install the command line tools as well. Then we'll click next. Then just try to install. So it might take a bit time. Yeah. So start installing. Okay. 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 So this is a very useful SVN client, Tortoise SVN, which I'm actually using it for the past. I believe I started using it from 2009, and it's a very useful tool. And there are command line version. Command line is also available for the Tortoise. SVN clients. So most of the time, I'm actually using the graphical user interface version of the Tortoise because we have the flexibility in launching it from by right clicking on the Explorer menu. So that is one of its advantages. Complete installation. You might restart the computer. Other users are currently logged into the computer. So it's actually saying that you need to restart the computer as well. So what I will do is I will try to and I will restart it and I will get back to you. Okay. Thank you.